welcome back to Memaw's house. It is a snowy day out here today, and I'm going to show you my snow in a minute. But I'm sitting here by the fire, and I was thinking, what am I supposed to be doing with all this free time I have on my hand? Now, I've rested all day today. Since I am engaging in the Daniel fast, and I can't bake anything, well, I could bake it, but I can't eat it. What a better time to clean out my baking cabinet. So the cabinet that I have most of my baking stuff in, I'm gonna clean it out. I'm gonna bring you along. So go ahead and get ready. I'm not putting an apron on. I'm just gonna get over here and I'm gonna start cleaning. But let me show you my snow first. Raining outside now, freezing rain, and you see my lake has a sheet of ice over it. So I don't think it's going to be cold enough to skate on it, although I wouldn't be skating on it. You won't catch me out there. But it is a beautiful sight. So let's go on in the kitchen, get you a cup of tea or a cup of coffee or a Coca-Cola or something, and watch me clean out my cabinet. Okay, so this is my baking cabinet. As you can see, it has all of my baking goodies in it, and it has some extra stuff in it. So my mission today is to clean out the extra stuff. I'm going to start by taking all the stuff out and cleaning the cabinets. Look like I've had some red food coloring to spill in my cabinet. So I'm going to clean out, spray down my cabinets with a little Clorox, because I had that red food coloring in there, and some Mrs. Meyer's. I'm going to wash those liners. I did have to throw the one away that had the red food coloring in it, but it's okay. All is not lost. I still have these, and I will use these to put on my shelves. I let those dry. It didn't take but about 5 minutes, and I'm going to put them back on my shelf. Those bowls and this scale are a part of a set called Perfect Bake. I'm going to have to bake a cake or something using that to show you how it works. My husband gave it to me for my birthday one year, only because I asked for it. Okay, so something isn't right here for me. It has to be changed. I got to do something with these bowls. Hold on a minute. I'll tell you what, those Dollar Tree baskets really do come in handy when you have a lot of small things like this to put on a shelf. It keeps your shelf neat and all those cookie cutters doesn't get all over the place. So these are a few things that I have left over that really did not belong in that cabinet. Some things I'm going to just toss and some things I'm going to give away. But I like the look of the cabinet now. It's nice and straight. I know where everything is. And everything has a place and it's sitting in it. Okay, y'all, so I finished cleaning my bacon cupboard and I'm very pleased. It is not as confused as it was. I do have a spice rack that I need to clean up next, and of course I got some cooking to do. So stay tuned for all of that. I have more videos that are coming. In the meanwhile, enjoy your snow day. If you're having snow, stay safe and stay warm. Y'all be blessed. Bye. Thank y'all for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.